Hug it up. Hey, hey, hey. Hug it up. Woo, woo, woo.
I am so fly like Aladdin. I start the ship, I'm the captain. And niggas they're talking, they're chatting.
Hey guys, don't get it twisted. It's your favorite girl, bukky.jimoh, and I'm back with another video. Okay, today I'm doing the full face using only Primark products. Let me be honest, like I'm low-key, I'm really scared, but like I saw Jenny Jenkins do this video and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks like a lot of fun. I want to see if these products are going to work for me because they are the budget products, they are on a low price, they are not high-end, you know, because look honey, it's not everyday high-end products, you understand? Small time, humble your bank account, respect yourself, and you know, go for the lowest tubs, you understand what I'm saying? So my eyebrows, I already only use the Primark brow pencil, and it's this one. There's a spoolie on the end, and it's the darkest one. I think it's called dark brown. So yo, I use the Primark My Perfect Color liquid concealer, and it looks like this as a base for my eyelids. To the eyeshadow section, please tell me why all the eyeshadows were looking dusty, and only one that I thought would look alright on me was this one. I'm going to be using this one as transition shade and this one crease color. Okay, let's pause. Pigmentation, what's that? There's no pigmentation whatsoever. Like, what's that?
Got it!
Nah, they're joking. They're actually joking. This is a trick. The purple shade is a little bit more pigmented. It's in the color Starcrust. Supposed to be a lipstick. No, I'm not putting that on my lips. I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow. In terms of its consistency, it's really creamy, so I will have to use a shadow over it. Just to set it, I'll use this. I'm in love with glitter. Like, I was like, I have to get this. So I'm just going to use the gold glitter for my inner tear duct. I also got these lashes. Guys, I'm shooketh. I'm shookity. I'm shookathy. Do you see these? I'm really, whoa, that's like, boom. I did my eyeliner and lashes off camera because that's long. So now on to foundation. Now this is where it is. I'm slightly scared because their darkest shade is called Chestnut 05. This is what it looks on the palio. I don't think so. This color should be called beige. Like, what the hell are they doing with themselves? Primark, how can this be your darkest shade, please? They're gonna catch these hands. That's one thing I will say. They need to expand their shade range, but that's the darkest shade they have. Like, y'all tried it. Y'all playing some games, okay?
People. Oh!
Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk!
Bruh. Primark, you're playing games. What's this? Y'all tripping. They have this BB cream, and I'm gonna have to mix these two together. I'm not about to be looking like all those aunties.
Oh my god!
All this. If you're Ghanaian, Nigerian, or West African, or African in general, you know those aunties at the weddings that just be, they be,
oh my god!
foundation shade is like 5 times lighter than our complexion. Sorry aunties, I love you guys, but why no? Why no? I'm almost scared to say that. What's going on here? Okay, that's closer to my skin tone. I'm gonna be using this buffer brush, foundation brush, which is also from Primark, to blend. Why am I looking grey? Oh my. Guys, this is not even funny. But what's this, please? What the hell is this? Why am I looking grey? I'm actually looking grey. It's not too bad. It's not like, it's not African auntie wedding type ashy. Like, it's no shade. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. But fam, if I didn't mix the BB cream, what would I be looking like? What would I be out here looking like? Chestnut. Primark, you're funny. Chestnut. Chestnutting should be teen. Chestnutting. That was not chestnut. In terms of coverage, it's like a medium to full coverage. Like it's all right in terms of like the consistency for the amount you're spending on it. But the colors, y'all need to improve on those colors. Okay, let's try the concealer. Hopefully, gosh, I have to pray before this. Okay, I'm using that concealer in the shade Caramel. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's so streaky. My goodness. The color itself isn't too bad. It's like Toffee from LA Girl. To contour, I'm using this in the shade Rich Espresso. I've contoured my forehead, my nose, my cheekbones. So I'm going to be baking with the Sacha Buttercup. They didn't have powder in my shade, so I just used the Sacha Buttercup. That's the only thing I'm not using today that's not Primark. To dust off my bake, I'm gonna use this bronzer, and I got this because of the color. I was like, this is literally the only face powder that's close. At Primark. Hey, that's my little brother. We had to turn up a little bit, you know, and the name is Flamour. This is actually eyeshadow. It's a brown eyeshadow, but I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, to contour with okay, now this is the last little bit, and I'm going to be doing my lips, and then I'll put a little bit of highlighter on. We're gonna be done. It's the Girl Kiss Proof lip line, and it's like a dark purple. It's alright, it kind of does the job. It's lip gloss, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It has little grains of like glitter in it. Oh my gosh, I fell in love. I had to get 2 colors, the pink one and the brown one. Can you see the little crystals, the little glitter? Oh my goodness, like, oh. Oh, can you see this? Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. And it smells incredible. It smells of strawberries. I might be putting a little bit too much, but who cares? Oh, my lips look lush. Oh, it's in Golden Beach. The pinky one is in transparent pink. Highlighter. Guys, I actually thought this was highlighter. Imagine, like, it clearly says bronzer. Like, how silly can I be? Anyways, I realized in like 2-3 seconds. Highlighter is huge. Like, it's almost the size of my head. It's so big, so I'm not going to be running out this, and it looks so pretty. I really don't want to touch it. Okay. Oh. You're joking. What? It's body bronzer. What the fuck? I got the wrong thing. That's my fault. I thought it was a highlighter. Oh my gosh. I didn't get a highlighter. I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. I also got their Fix Plus, their version of Fix Plus, and it's called Fix Up. And my camera dies. Sorry guys, my camera was doing wee fit a fro and decided to just collapse and die, so I couldn't end the video. Anyways, I hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed, stay strong, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, bitches.